Oh hey there! I hope you're having an amazing day. The school has started for me, which really sucks, but now let's see what happened in Copenhagen.
Do just what you want.
This is the second day. Yesterday I wasn't recording more clips than from plane. Honestly, I was just so tired. I just told myself like, okay, I'm just going to enjoy the city and not record, so I did not. Okay, so the very first thing we did is that we threw rocks in a Baltic Sea. I don't recommend doing it, but it was fun. We made some really good splashes. I also shot a little time lapse, and the water was really cold. It was just around 14 degrees Celsius, which is really cold. I don't recommend swimming in that thing.
Does anyone know how this stuff works?
And then we went to Denmark National Aquarium, and it was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I won't talk anymore, I will just let this speak for itself. Just watch. We spent all day there, and then I had a pizza with ham that was cut. Like, just in little bits. Look at this. After that, yeah, so golden hour just hit, probably, and we're going to see the Little Mermaid. And how cool does this look? That was St. Albans Church from 19th century. On our way, we've seen the Jeffian Fountain, and this guy who was waving his hands in the water. I didn't get it, but it was pretty funny. The Little Mermaid, probably the most iconic statue in Copenhagen, and people make fun of it. I don't know why, but our tourist guide said that people put toys in her hand. I'm sure you know what kind of toys I mean, but it was really beautiful. We didn't find anything interesting. We just sat there for a couple minutes, shot a time lapse, and then went to sleep. The next day we visited Tivoli. It has crazy attractions. If you're in Copenhagen ever, at any time, surely go visit there. For example, rides such as this started pretty okay until... After all, my experience, it was awesome, 10 out of 10, surely recommend and go there for sure, 100% everything. And now let's go on. The following sequence was shot on a phone because I didn't bring the camera with me. I still want to jump off the bridge because of I didn't bring it. But it was shot on a boat, so it was just so smooth, you know. If you want to take a boat around Copenhagen, tickets are in the description, check it out if you're interested. And now please just watch because I was too lazy to find all the names of the buildings. I don't know what's happening, but recently my phone started wobbling when I recorded video. It didn't do like all the time, but sometimes when I just press the record button or open the camera, it was just so wobbly. Does anyone know what it is or how I fix it? Yeah, so today we're going to Malmo, which is in Sweden. We're going to get there by train. How are we going to get there? It's another country. It's very simple. There's a bridge called Öresund. It's 16 kilometers long and it connects Copenhagen and Malmo in Sweden. It's simple as that. See you there. Ooh, but before leaving we had to feed the chicken. Okay, honestly, I had no idea it's this cold in Sweden. This part was recorded on July 15th, so it was pretty freaking cold for the middle of July. Let's be honest. I'm wearing a sweater and a jacket. This is basically it. It's super cold here. Like, it's also windy. Maybe that makes this feel colder, but I don't know. We're in KFC right now, waiting for our lunch, and then gonna explore the city. See ya there. By the way, I don't feel that bad filming in here. It feels a little weird, but it's fine. Waiting for the rest of the family so we can eat, and I will see you. The city looked great with historical buildings. Just look. Restaurants, ice cream, pubs. Parks. University's harbor with the lighthouse, and our way back. Oh, actually, we're flying back home tomorrow. Anyways, tomorrow we're flying back home. I'm really excited because I'm finally gonna sleep in my own bed. I think he's liking it so far. Anyway, we've had enough footage for the day. See you tomorrow at the airport, probably, because we're going. I think the flight is at 9? Actually, the flight was at 1 p.m., so I was just so wrong. So we need to pack our bags today, and tomorrow wake up really early. Well, we actually need to go home now because it starts raining. We just need to hide because we don't want to get wet, soaked wet. But it's not like the pouring rain. It's like just like those tiny little bits of water. We packed our bags, waited for bus, got to the airport, waited for the plane and got on and just got home. And that's it, that's all that happened. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like the video if you liked it, drop a comment if you want to say something, I will surely reply to you. Subscribe if you haven't already. Again, I'm not Peter McKinnon, but I just like that sentence. I will see you in the next one.